Hi everyone, I'm Cosmin. Today on Dessertophilia, I'm showing you how to make Hazelnut Financiers. The main characteristics of Financiers are egg whites, beurre noisette or brown butter, and a gold bar shape. The traditional recipe calls for almond meal or almond flour and a ton of sugar. So I went rogue and made mine with erythritol and ground hazelnuts. And they turned out amazing. You can serve them as such or go one step further and decorate them with my sturdy mascarpone cream I made in my previous video. I'm gonna link to it in the description below and at the end of this video. So let's get to it. Melt 70 grams of butter on the smallest flame and keep it moving. You don't want to burn it. As soon as it starts to change its color, remove it from the heat. Whisk 3 egg whites at room temperature just until they froth up a bit. Then add 15 grams of honey and continue whisking for a minute or so until they're really foamy. Now add 50 grams of ground hazelnuts and whisk them in. Then sift in 50 grams of cake and pastry flour, 1 gram of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 50 grams of powdered erythritol. Bear in mind that powdered erythritol is really lumpy. You're gonna need a spatula to push it through the sieve. Now use a spatula to fold the dry ingredients into the wet and you'll get an airy batter. Add 25 grams of chopped hazelnuts and fold them in. Then it's time to add the brown butter. It should be slightly warm, but make sure it's not hot. Fold it in until it's completely incorporated and then you're ready to bake. This is a 9-cavity silicone financier pan. I just greased the molds with butter. And I'm using 2 tablespoons to fill the molds. Bake the hazelnut financiers at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. Then let them cool for 10 to 15 minutes in the molds, remove them and place them on your serving platter. And you can enjoy them like this, or you can decorate them with the sturdy mascarpone cream I made in my previous video. And sure, you could keep them all to yourself, but I'm telling you, they're so much better when you share them with the ones you love. Until next time, Dessertophiles.